Just a little lesson here, guys. For example, you see the market, you see this big push over here, and then the reversal, correlation dots. Then we see a brick over here, and well, the breakout was to the upside. You see the blue lines in the from the tape. This is the tape. Okay, so you see momentum up. It's very difficult for you to catch these trades because they move too quick. Okay, so and the momentum is down. We are below the two ATRs. So you need to respect that. Okay, so remember that this is a business, guys. This is a business. Then the market is in high volatility mode right now. So it's very easy for you to lose a trade. So for example, what do I always tell people? For example, you see an imbalance here. Okay, so you see an imbalance over here too. Okay, but this is 582 contracts. But what happens? This is just an intention, guys. This is an intention. This is somebody that can hold a trade with deep pockets. Okay, so what happens with the tape? Okay, so we're above the linear regression giving support. Okay, there you go. There's the tape starting to move. When this happened over here, okay, here is the
Long
breakout.
signal and Q.
Okay, so now you see the tape is starting to move, but still we are not seeing a lot of buyers in the tape. See, we see 8 in the same second over here in the Nasdaq, but still the Nasdaq
Long
hasn't break.
signal and Q.
Okay, so you need to be aware once the market starts pushing. Okay, so it's stalled right now, so this trade can be over or can continue. Okay, we see 50, 30. We see two imbalances over here. Okay, we can place a limit order here
Order submitted.
and see if we can win this one.
Long signal and Q.
Okay, Nasdaq is still continuing higher. We see lots of buyers on the tape. You see the over here the YM. We see lots of imbalance and correlation dots up. So this is risky because the ATR, remember, is like a reversal. This is where price hits and reverses. There's a lot of sellers here. You see the Nasdaqs. There's sellers coming in. That's why you cannot go at market. That's why I would tell people don't go at market because the majority of the time when the bar is not finished, there's a lot of noise. So it's very complicated. But for now, we see that buyers are in control. Same, sellers couldn't reverse the market here
Order
in the
filled.
ES. In the Nasdaq, I think. There they go. Give it some room, guys. You see that you see this batch of buyers here, okay? Now you start to read the tape, okay? You watch the tape. Watch the tape. Watch the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is not reversing. Watch the tape, guys. There it goes, starting to move. You see the big buyers in the tape. Lots of momentum up. We see little sellers. So it doesn't, it doesn't tell me that the market can reverse from here. But you need to be aware because you never know the market what will do. They can reverse over here, and because of any news or something, or whatever. Still the micro Nasdaq still pointing up. Sellers not come in. See the market, the time and sale stalled. I don't like this. There we go. There's more buyers, but still not cannot break this area here. Nasdaq and 5 buyers at the low of the bar. There goes the Nasdaq, still climbing a little bit. They needed to, to go lower of the bar because the limit orders are, they never buy at market. These guys, they wait for the price to come back to them. Now the market's starting to move. You see all this mumbo jumbo that this Nasdaq did here, and they keep on pushing the price down. They don't want to go higher. This rare behavior that these guys have.
Long signal and Q.
Okay, guys, this trade was really tricky. Okay, when I saw another imbalance to the downside. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order
It's
filled.
not working. There's too much sellers.
Order submitted.
I will place a limit order here to continue to the downside. Okay, so let's wait a little bit so it gets filled. Nasdaq is tanking too. These guys are selling the top of the bar, and ES is doing the same. We see another one in the micro ES.
Signal and Q.
Okay, there goes the Nasdaq. Still very shy.
Order filled.
Okay, we got filled here.
Short signal ES. Short signal and Q.
There you go, more sellers, but very little sellers. Small amounts. That's why this ES hasn't dropped down.
Target filled.
Short signal and Q.
Now we see the sellers in the Nasdaq. We see 9 prints in the same second. We got the first 2 targets hit. Now we're getting the third target. Okay guys, like I said, for example, you see the imbalance here. You see 1, you see 2, you see 1 here, the second one here. So you see the price not going higher. So that, what does this mean, guys? This is what I tell you about in the border of these areas. Okay, I'm getting out, guys. This market
Order
can
filled.
reverse from here, but it was a winner. So that's what I was telling you, guys. This is like, you know, this means like a trap traders. You see the market trying to go higher, but you see a lot of order flow, but the market doesn't go higher. This is called absorption. So these guys are being absorbed by the sellers. So you know, you see the imbalance here. You just you know, trade what you see here. It's telling you, did the first one, did the second one, exactly in the micro ES. Remember, these guys work on basket orders. Okay, so okay, it wouldn't work. It would have worked the third target, but you know, it's better to have the money in your bank and not gamble with it. Okay guys, so that's just what I wanted to tell you about. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information.